everybody, it's Lolita. Here with us today is
Zaira. Hello, everyone.
Hi! Right, in this video, we're going to learn another set of CVC words having this sound. Right, so talking about CVC words, so these are words that are created using a consonant, vowel, and a consonant. So it's a short A. Now, the sound is you open your mouth, then you stretch this part, eh,
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 eh.
eh.
Good. So you listen and then you repeat after I say the word. Is that clear?
Yes.
So this one, at,
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 at.
at.
Good. Words like bat,
Bat,
cat,
cat,
fat,
fat,
mat,
mat,
rat,
rat,
sat,
sat,
vat, nut.
nut,
And the next one is an,
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 an.
an.
Words like can,
Can,
dan,
can,
fan,
fan,
man,
man,
pan,
pan,
run,
run,
tan,
tan,
van. Next, add,
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 add.
add,
Words like bad,
bad,
dad,
dad,
fad,
fad,
head,
head,
lad,
lad,
mad,
mad,
pad,
pad,
rad,
rad,
sad,
sad,
wad. Right, so can we do it once more?
Yes.
Okay, good. So here we go. Ah,
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 ah.
ah,
Now it's your turn.
at, bat, cat, fat, mat, rat, sat, vat, nut, an, can, dan, fun, man, pan, run, tan, van, add,
Mm.
bad, dad, fad, had, lad, mad, bad, rad, sad, wad.
All right, good job. Good job, Jai Jai. And that's it. I hope you learned something. Until next time, bye.